What's going on, people? Ken Jackson here. Today we're gonna be working on this armrest. As you can see, a lot of people with Maximas, apparently Maximas and Ultimas, have this problem. Which, come on, Nissan, do better. And that's not even just the 7th gen, it's the 8th gen and up. So this shouldn't take you but probably like less than 10 minutes, whether you want to take off this stitching part or whether you want to just replace the whole armrest. I'm gonna be doing the stitching part because this is like what, $20-$30. Armrest will be more than 50. So your first option, maybe the quicker, easier option, let me get this light out the way, is right here. What you basically gonna do, you don't have to worry about these screws right here. You actually would be pressing this in and pulling this off, which I'm not gonna do it because I'm not doing that part. But basically you would press this in, put some pressure on it and pull it towards you or pull it towards the back, because there's little clips that's connected. Then you're gonna have 3 Phillips heads that is gonna let you, you're gonna unscrew that and you should be able to take out the armrest. But the part that I'm doing is we're gonna have to take something small. Close this, move this stuff out of the way. Ignore all this, man. I'm getting this car ready, you know, trying to keep it clean and fix certain stuff on it. But you're gonna take something small that you can wedge in there, and be careful not to, just remember that it's plastic. Remember that it's plastic, and to be careful. And this is obviously fake leather, it's not real leather, but just be careful, you know. And I'm gonna try the screwdriver, and I think I have other things. You might be able to use the little thing that you use to take out the retainer clips on a bumper, you know, with the little 2 teeth that you can put in there and slide it out. But basically you're gonna wedge it in there and just take it around there, loosen it up and pull it out or detach it. So I'm gonna do that real quick. So, and just like that, didn't have to put too much pressure on it, so it came right off. And here's the little clips. Again, this is the same thing that you're gonna see back here. Put pressure on it, pull it out, and then here's the back. Very strange looking in my opinion, but if you want, you can replace it just like this, or you can unscrew these and it's gonna detach it from this system right here to make it a little bit easier for you. And these are Torx screws, so if you don't have a Torx head, I would suggest doing it like this. It's kind of rare that you would need a Torx head screw unless you do a lot of construction work and electronic work. But if you're just doing this, I would recommend trying to do it like this if you're only doing this, you know. But if you have other projects, go ahead and get you a set of Torx head screwdrivers from Home Depot. They're pretty cheap. Or get you some bits that'll go on your drill. So with that being said, we can detach the whole armrest and take it inside and begin gluing. So just like that, we have all 4 screws off. Set right here, and it just pops right off. So this is really, like I said, this is really quick and easy. I think obviously this back way can be faster, but this is gonna take like what, an extra 3 minutes. I'm gonna take this inside, start taking this off. I should have something that's gonna help me. There are staples that you're gonna need to take off. Let me show you that real quick. You have the option to restaple this as well, or to use glue. But here are the staples right here. So as you can see, they're dug in there, so you're gonna have to like get something really small. There's some more up here, right there, and some more back here. Now obviously you could manhandle it and rip it off if you want to. That's up to you. It's your car, man. I mean, think about it, you are putting a new one on there, so I don't know. So we have the old one, we have Oscar, and then we have the new one. So as you can see, there right there is a problem. This is also a dirtier, is it dirty? It might just be gray or it might be dirty, but obviously this one looks better. They feel the same too. The same quality. This one got this old, that old insulation right here. That one feels more smooth. Yeah, if you want to know what the inside of your armrest looks like, that's what it looks like. The staples are the hardest part because they're stuck in the corner, or they twisted into the corner. And then we got more insulation right here. We're gonna test fit it. Yes, the quicker way would be to fold it and then staple it, blah 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 blah. But it's hard. It'll be hard to do that, especially with a household stapler. I don't have no crown stapler or anything like that, so we're gonna use Gorilla Glue. If you want, you can use high-powered glue, industrial, JB Weld, whatever you want to use. But just remember, if it starts cracking again, how are you gonna get it off? A good idea would be to get some Meguiar's or something, Armor leather protector, to strengthen it, to keep it from doing that, you know, make it last a little longer while it's in the heat. But what I'm gonna do is finish getting these staples out. All right, back in the car. So once you have everything lined up, you know, you want to make sure this isn't even the right tab. That's the right tab right there. Have everything lined up. Put your screws up in there. Press. What I did was use both hands. I used this left hand and the right hand. Right hand at the back, left hand at the front, and squeezed it together instead of trying to slap it, and ended up breaking this, ending up breaking that. So mine came out pretty bad. It will be a lot easier for you to staple it. Yes, you can cut it. It's even recommended that you cut it to make it fit and to stretch it out. It was just a little difficult, but you can't really tell until I point it out to you. Like, other than that, this is only temporary anyway. It's nice to have this without having your arm being scratched. Excuse me. But yes, the quicker way would be to take this back panel off and get the whole armrest replaced. But if you want to do upholstery and stuff like that, you go ahead. Either way, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.